Alright, we're back here with another one. Classic ACT question. Let's see what we got today. It says, if the graph of y equals x squared is shifted 5 units down and 4 units to the right, and it wants to know which of these equations represents the translated graph. So, let you think about this for a second. This is kind of a tricky one. Think about it. Pause the video. We'll come back. We'll solve it together. Alright, here we go. We're back. So, it's not the worst idea if you don't know this. It's not the worst idea to put y equals x squared, into your calculator and graph it, and what you probably see is just a little parabola like that. And if you have nothing here, what you could try to just do is pick one, pop it in your calculator, and see if it shifts 4 to the right and 5 down. And then you would have your answer. The argument against that is that it'll take too long, but really, if you can spend an extra minute on a problem and ensure the fact that you get it right, I am all for that. Let's be honest, you have a better chance to get this one right than probably number 59. So you might as well take a little extra time and get them right. Remember, the goal is just to try to accumulate points. You just want to keep getting as many right as you can. Sounds stupid, but sometimes kids lose sight of that. So here we go. 5 down and 4 to the right. So there's two things to remember. You have up and down shifts, right? And they always take place outside the parentheses. And then you have your left-right shift. Probably can't read this chicken scratch. And those always take place inside the parentheses. And up-down is what you think it is. So if it's plus 5, it's up 5. If it's minus 5, it's down 5. So if we're going 5 down, I know it's got to be outside the parentheses, and it's got to be minus 5, which is pretty nice because that's going to kill off this, and that are gone. So a lot of times with these, if you know one thing, you can get these things to two answers, and then you just take your chances here. Left, right is inside the parentheses, so you have a 50-50 shot. Is it minus or is it plus? Right? A lot of people think if we're moving right, it just kind of makes sense that we're going to go plus right, or plus 4 rather, sorry. But just remember, when it's inside the parentheses, it's always the opposite of what you think. So if it's right, it's actually minus. If it's left, it's going to be actually plus. So in this case, we're moving 4 to the right, so it would actually be minus 4. So it looks like it would be that one.